What if small changes in your daily routine could lead to big transformations in your life? That's the promise of James Clear's Atomic Habits, a book that packed with actionable strategies to build better habits and break bad ones. The core idea of the book is simple but powerful. Success isn't about making massive changes overnight, it's about improving by just 1% each day. These tiny improvements compound over time, creating remarkable results. Clear introduces the four laws of behavior change, which make building good habits easier. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. For example, if you want to start exercising, just putting your workout clothes where you can see them is a small but effective step. One of the most impactful lessons for me is the importance of identity based habits. Instead of saying, I want to run, say, I am a runner. Shifting in your identity makes sticking to habits much easier because you are not just doing something, you are becoming someone. Clear also dives into why bad habits form and how to break them by reversing the same four laws. It's a practical, no fluff guide that doesn't just tell you what to do, but also why it works. So, whether you are looking to improve your health, productivity, or relationships, Atomic Habit is a must read. I have linked the book in the description, and you can also listen to it as an audiobook for free with Amazon Audible trial. Have you read Atomic Habits? What is one small habit that you are trying to build? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't picked up this book yet, it could be the first step toward lasting change. Thank you so much for watching.